Good morning, all you pigeon fanciers. Today is July 9th. It's on Thursday. I didn't do a release yesterday because of the weather. It was kind of raining, so I just let them rest and figure take them out today. Right now they're at 19.676 miles out. It's overcast and some fog. I got still my 48 birds down here, and right now it's 59 degrees. The wind is 5.1 east southeast. So my bird's been sitting here for about 11 minutes or so. They're looking pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is give you guys a release, and let's watch how they do before the rain comes in. I got all my blue bars up here on the back of my truck, and then all my blue checkers down here, and my silver bar. So again, kick back, enjoy the video. Here we go. All 48 birds. I did a jump of about 14 miles from the last release. They gotta get some height, but I guess because of the clouds, yeah, they're not getting too much height right now. But you know what? They're heading in the right direction. Right there. I got one straggler. Other than that, they look pretty good. They're heading down the right direction. They're going right by the trees. Yeah. Again, Dominic from 808 Sunrise Loft. I'll do a next video of my next release. So the Loft 3 has been doing fine. I still got to work with Loft number 4 and Loft number 6. Again, good luck to all you racers out there, and have a good young bird season. Aloha.